Chisel and hammer in hand, this artist carves out a design from tribal figures to African wildlife. The finished results are popular keepsakes for tourists visiting Kenya. But amid a pandemic, the demand for these objects has plummeted. At the Birds Paradise souvenir shop in Nairobi, Karen is organizing the stock. There used to be 20 people who worked here. But after the global travel industry went into shutdown, the number has been reduced to 7 and wages have been slashed.
Hii biashara tunadilingi na watalii. Kutoka corona ingia watalii walipungua, kazi ikafungwa, tukafutwa kazi. Alafu Januari ndio tumerudishwa kazi. Alafu ikabidi boss wetu aanze kutulipa mshahara nusu. Sasa hii corona imeaffect mambo mingi mpaka hata maisha yetu ikakuwa mbaya. Tunaomba Mungu hii corona iishe na tupate, hata kama haitaisha tupate kila mtu chanjo, biashara ikuwe normal.
Vaccines gave a glimmer of hope that the pandemic could be snuffed out and the tourism industry could get back to business. But the more infections, Delta variant has put that in doubt, bringing with it a new wave of infections to Kenya and the rest of the world. Still at the Great Rift Valley viewpoint, a small trickle of tourists has returned to admire the scenic view.
We're actually going through our third wave, and it's the Delta variant. A lot more people seem to be getting affected by it. I've lost family members, I've lost friends, all due to this. But the only positive thing is now we are vaccinating the population, so the older people have been vaccinated. Now the middle-aged men have been vaccinated, and slowly but surely the younger people are getting vaccinated. So hopefully once everyone gets vaccinated, things will get a bit better, yeah.
Simone, manager of Bonfire Adventure Tours and Travel Company, says tourist numbers have dropped 80% since the pandemic, but he's now seeing business pick up.
Before COVID, sometimes like over festive season, we used to dispatch big fleets, starting even from 300, 400 vehicles in one day, and having charters to different places here in Kenya and across. Right now, charters, we are not having charters anymore, and the business has reduced significantly by over 80%. But at least we can see things picking up, and even if I'm sure we will be able to go somewhere, we might not go to where we were before.
He's doing everything he can to mitigate the risk.
We have made sure most of our crew are vaccinated. Secondly, at least we regularly and periodically test the crew and our staff. Thirdly, we make sure that we have reduced the capacity of our the vehicle carrying capacity from 8 to maximum of 7, so that we maintain the social distance. We provide sanitizers on board, and we're able to keep track of our clients so that we are able to know how, where they are from, all that, and we're able to liaise with the Ministry of Tourism to make sure that all MOH protocols are observed.
It's a similar story at the Kenya Wildlife Service gates. All guests are now ushered through a series of steps designed to reduce the possibility of virus transmission. Hand washing, sanitizing and temperature checking are just part of the routine now.
We have put in the protocols. When you arrive, you must sanitize, you must check the temperature, and now we are keeping record of our visitors to our parks, so that we can, if there is anything, we are aware who has come into the park. And this now will make our parks much more safer, both for the guests, for our staff, and of course for our wildlife.
Kenya has been reliant on donations of vaccines for its inoculation drive. According to the Johns Hopkins University, so far it has administered more than 2.1 million doses. with 1.42% of its population being fully vaccinated.